Hello guys, hello ladies. Today, I want to share with you a script that is extremely interesting and appears to be highly accurate. Stay with me until the end of this video, because I will explain all the details and give you my personal perspective on how this script works. That's why it's very important that you subscribe to the channel and leave your like, because at the end of this video, I will explain exactly how you can use this script to improve your own trading operations. Okay. To give you access to our VIP community, I will also show you everything step by step. Let me share my screen with you for a moment. Right now, there is a live signal happening at this exact moment. Here, I am showing you the signals and the accuracy rate we have maintained since the beginning of last year. We are talking about 12 consecutive months of operations and 12 months in a row hitting our targets. To access this trading room, which is 100% free, you will find the link in the video description. All you need to do is join and become part of this project. We currently have a very solid accuracy rate, and of course, this can change at any time as the market is always dynamic. Here you can clearly see the results month by month: January, February, March, April, and so on. Everything will be available in the description, so you can easily join this incredible project. And if you don't have an account with the broker yet, I will also leave that link in the video description. Remember, when you register through the link, you gain access to the rewards panel and exclusive bonuses. Any profit you make using these bonuses can be withdrawn normally, without restrictions. Now let's get started. I'm going to show you the script itself. At this moment, we have a possible trading opportunity forming. I'm going to take a buy position here, and I will explain exactly why I entered this trade. To make my analysis easier, I can go to the drawing tools, select oscillators, and also add the MACD as a reference. From there, I can make a few adjustments. How you use these tools is entirely up to you. This is simply a reference point to help you make better decisions. Now, let me show you how the indicator and the script work in general. As you can see, that trade resulted in a very clean and strong win. All the configurations will be shared inside the VIP community, so it's important that you have access. In addition to that, you will have full access to the signal room and to all the scripts and tools designed specifically for binary options trading. Pay close attention to this. Every time there is a crossover between the red dots and the blue line, the script tends to initiate a move in that direction. You can clearly see that we caught the move right from the beginning. This is what makes it so interesting and so accurate. Each time that crossover happens, the market usually starts moving in that direction. Whenever the indicator reaches this zone here, it represents an overbought or oversold region. At that point, a reversal can happen at any moment. Personally, I prefer to trade in the OTC market, but many traders prefer operating in the open market. That choice depends entirely on your own strategy and comfort level. Now let me show you the accuracy rate of these script settings. Every time we see a crossover here, the price starts moving upward. Look at how consistent this is. It crosses here, and the move happens. Another crossover, another win. This consistency is what makes the script so powerful. To get access to the binary options configurations, all you need to do is join the group. Today, I will be sharing everything 100% for free, including the indicator names and, most importantly, the exact settings. Those settings are the real turning point. I also want to make something very clear. Many people ask about trading in open markets versus closed markets. On the platform, you can trade both. The open market offers excellent payouts, and the closed market also provides great opportunities. It all depends on how you prefer to trade. Remember, if you register using the link in the description, you will gain access to all the broker's benefits, especially near-instant withdrawals. Your first withdrawal may take a little longer due to account verification, but after that, withdrawals are usually processed very quickly. You can also use leverage without worrying about account restrictions. So once again, the broker link will be in the description, as well as the VIP group link. Inside the VIP group, you will have access to all indicators, all configurations explained clearly, and full access to the signal room. That's it for now. Let's continue and take a closer look at the next opportunities.